Wakelet is a free digital curation tool. It offers a way to collate online resources in one place, referred to as a Wake. This allows users to organize and curate content such as websites, videos, images, links, and more. Wakes can be used for instructional design, research, story-based learning, and collaboration. First of all, go to www.wakelet.com and sign up. Once you sign up, you are going to see your home area, which is your area of work. To create a collection, just click on the button Create a Collection. Now you are in a new collection area. You will have to give your collection a title and write a description. By clicking on the Design button, you can design your collection with a background, cover page, visualization, etc. Once you give your collection a title and description, you can start populating your work area with the resources you have picked from around the web. Let us suppose that you want to create a collection about types of sentences. To do this, you just paste the link you have in mind here, for example, YouTube videos, interactive exercises, PDF documents, images, and so on. Something important is that you can add context to any link you have, so rather than leave it as it is originally, you can click on the Edit button and write something that is more contextual depending on the objective you have to share the resource. Once you finish adding resources, you can change the visualization to columns, grids, and some others. To finish, you share your collection with your audience by clicking on the Share button. You can share the link, embed it into a learning management system or blog, share it on Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, and so on.